Okay, on November the 2nd, I won a contest from Metal Earth Iconics on Twitter, and the package arrived some time ago, but I'm just now getting around to open it, and my son is going to help me.
Hello! To be honest, I'm a little nervous. I've never been in one of his videos before, but
Okay, I already slid it, so you can open it.
Okay, okay. What's this supposed to be again?
Some of these Metal Earth models,
Oh,
like
okay.
this.
I'm telling you that this is a little hard. Do I need to be careful? I should probably be a little careful. Oh, I'm getting it.
Here, if you'll take this, I'll slice it with my knife.
Alright.
Right. Just put that on here.
Okay, now I've got his phone. Yep, there we go. See what's in. Oh, ooh, nice. Okay, I'll take the rubber band off. Whoa, these look hard to build. Even different color ones. I've never seen
Japanese armor.
European armor,
Chinese
horse armor. There's European armor. And then there's horse armor right here. These are pretty cool, by the way. You may hear small little barking noises in the
Say
background.
bye.
See you later. You may see barking noises in the background, but I'm just on Minecraft, so yeah. See you later.